It's Jean-Claude. Well, it's about 6:15, and those damn chickadees just came in again and made all sorts of noise. I just had 3 people walk behind me, mother and her 2 daughters. Of course, I was so well hid that they couldn't see me, but I don't know, I'm hoping to see a nice buck today, or tonight, or whatever you want to call it. Of course, I've got a couple of my friends with me. That's right. Well, I shook the tree so there would be plenty of apples on the ground for when Big Luke comes in. You know who Big Luke is? Well, good enough. Well, I'm gonna sign off until after I get a little footage here, maybe a few deer. You know who, signing off. Who loves you, baby? It's me. Boy, that deer keeps coming through. Pretty nice deer. I think, I don't know if I'm gonna have to shoot the first day or not. But boy, I think so. Old Douglas, I guess I might have another one on the old beam at your garage. I'm sorry. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm down to only one friend left. That's this one. I'm gonna have a little victory drink. Boy, it sure tastes good after a hard day's work. Well, I'm gonna get out of the stand now, and Doug, I'll be up to show you this in about 15 minutes, as soon as I get to your house. That deer is blowing right now. Jean-Claude can tell a blow. Well, I'm leaving. Bye.